This is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your apps not opening on your Android phone. So just swipe down from the top right and go to settings. Scroll on down under here and we want to locate applications. Tap this, wait for this load, then go on down the application you're having an issue with. So sometimes I have an issue with YouTube just kind of being weird. Okay, let's go on down to YouTube, select it. Then we want to force stop it. Maybe it's open and it just keeps crashing. We can force stop it, okay? Scroll on down to storage. Go to storage. Now we can go to clear cache. Now try opening it up. If it still doesn't work, come back here and go to clear data. And then go to delete. Now this might sign you out of the application, so you might have to sign back in. But this will pretty much delete the files, settings, and accounts into the database of the application. And then we can just simply open it up again, sign back in, and we should be good. So most of the time, just clearing the cache and the data will fix the app not opening up. Then also, just restart your phone if you haven't done that too in a while. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.